people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be installing gloss black kidney grills for my BMW E65 series. The first thing we're going to do is pop the bonnet. Also switch to some gloves right now. Safety is number one priority. First and foremost is lift up this cover that we have over here, and it's going to need a little bit of strength. Right here, so it's this plastic trim cover that you have here. Now that we have exposed the T30 Torx screws, we're going to undo them. There should be 5 in total, so let's crack on with that. We keep the bumper loose from the top here so that we have access to the bottom clips of these kidney grills in order to remove them. It's time to get your flathead screwdriver, something like this, which we will use to press down on these clips from the top of the kidney grill as well as the bottom. What we're trying to do is ideally move this slightly out of the way, and you see the bottom clips here. Just going to play around with them with the flathead screwdriver so that we can loosen the bottom half of the grill, because that's what you want to do first, because here we've got easy access and then we can remove the top, and you want to do the same thing on this side. Finally got the kidney grills removed. I will not lie, for the E60 it is time consuming, and depending on how good you do it, you might end up not snapping it completely, but like breaking the plastic clips molding. For me, I'm just getting rid of these. Now we'll be installing my gloss black kidney grills, which I believe is just clips into place, so I don't need to mess around like I did before for the removing process. So here we have my gloss black kidney grills for my E60, and let's take a first look at it. Oh wow, oh wow, that is beautiful. Well, before we cause any damage to it, let's put this on the car. Just carefully, we're starting off with the right side, and yeah, let's try this. Give it a go. There we go. I think it was nice and easy, just like that. That was nice and straightforward, and we're going to do the exact same on the other side. Oh wow, oh wow, such a huge difference so far. Now we've got the right side here. Let's carefully slot the clips, starting from the lower part of the grill, because that's what we have learned. There we go. And just make sure you click everything in place. Now we're going to get a cloth and give it a clean. Job's a good one. We're going to just put everything back, and then we're going to do the comparison. It's time to clip this back on, the plastic trim cover, to make sure it slots in the right place. That is job done. Back to the comparison here. This was the old one. It had a chrome outline, which does give it a classy look. This is OEM, so this is what the car comes with from factory, and the spokes in the middle just to have your classic look. But personally, I like to dechrome my vehicle, where it just gives that beast mode look. Some may disagree and stick with the original chrome, which is the classy look. If you're after that, if you're after a sporty look, upgrade, shadow edition, you've got the high gloss black available. So this is your comparison, and let me know in the comments below what you prefer on this car, and that'll be an interesting conversation. I am very impressed with the kidney grills. If you haven't already, check out my other video where you can see the orange V-brace bar, me showcasing on how to install it. But I have to say, I am very happy with how this has turned out. It's transformed the complete look of my car. It's a cheap and easy DIY modification that you can do by yourself. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video, and check me out on my socials on TikTok, Instagrams at BigHorseOfficial. In the meantime, thanks for watching.